Hello, I'm Daedran. Welcome to ePrime. Alpha Institute is making their contribution to the musical landscape. The Institute is promoting music, technology, and athletics to school programs, building on their progress. The Institute's music program goes beyond playing musical instruments. It's now offering training right on the Camp Road campus from experienced professionals in disc jockeying, Pro Tools recording, live mixing, radio broadcasting, and beat making. The institution offers a stepping stone into the technical aspect of the music industry and creates an opportunity for interested young males to find their career in music or the entertainment business. Registration is now in progress and applications are available at the school. Sizzla's highly anticipated album I'm Yours is now available. Producer John FX recently released the title track I'm Yours, which easily made its way to #1 on Spotify. This success follows that of his recent and reggae recording artist Makian is embarking on his first ever European tour organized by Kongstar label. Makian has garnered much notoriety as a songwriter for many of Jamaica's popular artists, including Jacure and Etana. He is now working on building his own catalogue, which now includes hits like Miss Ya Bad, Stand By My Side, and his trending track, My Way, a collaboration with singer Siobhan. The artist has performed in France, Belgium, Holland, and Sweden to promote his current EP, Heart Music. Makian is gearing up for the release of his upcoming album, Time and Patience, set to be released later this year. On the international scene, Grammy-winning singer Pink will receive the Michael Jackson Video Vanguard Award at the MTV Music Video Awards. Pink's 17-year career will be honored on August 27 at the Forum in Inglewood, California. The Vanguard Award honors musicians who have had an impact on pop culture through songs, fashion, and music videos. Past winners include Rihanna, Madonna, Beyoncé, and Justin Timberlake. The award show will see performances from Pink herself, Kendrick Lamar, Ed Sheeran, Miley Cyrus, among others. And that's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.